I'm Eric Budnick, and I'll be playing I Don't Want to Go.
You nailed it, buddy.
Oh, I tried my best that time.
You did.
I reeled it in.
Eric, you did.
You
fine.
did. You did.
Great.
And you know, that's putting yourself out there and putting yourself on the spot. I mean, that's where you grow. That's where you grow as a musician. And you're all musicians. I mean, whether or not, you know, I know you really like music. I don't know if you played many instruments and stuff. But you know, a lot of students that I have in here never played an instrument before. And it doesn't matter. Sometimes it's better that way, actually. Okay.
All right. Before I start, just want to feel. I'm going to stand up for the